class? It is our EVS class. Yes, Nana? Very good. So, in our EVS class, what we are going to do? In every EVS class, we will learn so many new things, right? Yes. So, in this class also, we are going to learn so many new things. Are you ready with me? Yes? Okay. We'll start now. Okay? So first open your textbook. First what we learn in our first class, we finished day and night. When we see sun, it is a day, and when we see moon, it is a night. Day means you will be having full of light. Yes? And night means we can't see anything. There is no light. Yes, very good. After that, we finished seasons. How many seasons we have? How many seasons in a year? 3 seasons: summer season, rainy season, and winter season. Right? Yes, very good. And after that, we finished national symbols. How many national symbols we learned? We have so many national symbols, but in that, how many we finished? We finished 4 national symbols, right? Yes, we finished 4 national symbols. What are those? First one is, yes, what are those? First one is lotus. It is our national flower. What is our national flower? Lotus. What is our national flag? Tricolor flag. What is our national bird? Peacock. What is our national animal? Tiger. Right? Yes. So after that, as in last class, what we learned? Yes, we learned about festivals. 4 major festivals of our India. What? Holi, Christmas, Eid and Diwali. Holi, Christmas, Eid and Diwali. These are the 4 major festivals of our country. Right? Yes. What is our country name? Yes, it is India and we are Indians. Yes, Nana? Good. So, today we will going to learn some safety rules. Okay? Shall we start? See here. Safety rules. See, this girl is taking a knife and cutting the apples. She is taking the knife. She is a small kid. So, small kids, they can't cut the apples by themselves. Okay, they can't use knives. Knives mean it is very sharp and it will harm small kids. So we must not play with the sharp objects like sharpener and like knives, like that. You should not play with them. Okay, we must not play with fire. Will you play with fire? Will you go to the kitchen and will you go play with the stove? No, you should not do. And will you play with the matchboxes? No, that is very bad. So playing with the knives, playing with fire is very bad for children. How we have to do? We must not touch electrical objects. See, switches. You should not play with the switches. Okay? If you have water in your hand and if you go and touch the switches, means it will get a shock. So you should not touch the switches. We must always have a first aid kit with medicines, bandage and other. Everyone in our school we have a first aid kit, right children? Yes. What about you? At your home, do you have first aid kits? Yes means it's okay. It's okay. If no means, ask your parents to put a first aid box which contains some medicines, bandages. Main thing, bandages. You all are kids, so you'll be playing and you'll be falling down and you'll be hurting yourself. So for that purpose, you have to put bandages. Okay? Okay. Now see, I will show you some pictures. Page number 112. So what you have to do means, if the thing is good for you, you have to put like this. If the thing is bad for you, you have to put like this. Okay? Tick, cross. See, ice cream. Ice cream is a good thing? Yes, in sometimes. uh, in summer you can eat it. Okay, so it is not that much bad. So tick here. Blade. Blade is a good thing or bad thing? Yes, it is a bad thing. It will harm you. So put cross here. And ball. Yes, of course, you can play with ball. Yes, put tick here. Next, this one. This one also you can. Doll. Doll is also a safe thing. So put tick here. And switchboard. Just now I told you, you can touch switches. No, you can't touch the switches. So put a cross here. And now scissors. No, very bad. No one should play with scissors. Okay, if you want to cut anything, ask your parents to help you. Okay, so cross. Next, cap. Of course, it is a good thing. Table fan. It is bad. No, you should not touch the things. You should not touch the fan. Okay, so cross. Okay, after that, turn the page. See here, some actions at school. What you have to do in school. See, this boy is fighting with the boy. Is it good? Fighting is good or bad? Of course, it is bad. So, cross it. Next. See, mom is feeding this one. So, isn't good? Yes, very good. See this one? They are fighting. Yeah, they are making noise. So, bad. See this picture? They all are listening to the class very carefully. They are sitting so quietly. Isn't good? Yes, so take it. See, they all are going in a line. While getting into the bus, you should maintain the line. Yes, even we in our school, when we get into the bus, we'll go in line, right? So it is also good. See, these children are making noise. They are naughty children, right? Like you. Yes, are you a naughty children? Are you naughty children? No. So, tick cross. Okay, you should not make noise. You have to sit properly in the class. Okay, children? Now, turn the page. Page number 114. See this? They are sitting oppositely in the seesaw and playing. You should not sit like this. You have to face each other. You have to sit like this, face each other, and you have to hold this thing. Yes? You have to hold with your hand so that you cannot fall down. Okay? So this one is wrong thing. Sliding means, can you slide reversely? No. You have to slide properly. This one is cross, and see, this boy is getting up and sliding. Is it good? Yes, this one is the right thing. See, this boy is playing with the dog. Yes, it is a very good one. See, this girl also is sliding. They are standing on the swing. Is it good or bad? It is very bad, because while you swing, if you stand means you will be fall down. Right? So it is bad one. Cross it. See, cross, tick. Cross, tick. Okay? So we finished these things. So your CW for this class is page number 12, 13, 14. One 12, one 13, one 14. Okay, you have to finish it. Okay, now bye.